Carbon monoxide measurement. Excess air optimization. Part 5. As shown in attached figure, the most sensitive measurement of flue gas composition is the detection of carbon monoxide. Gas burning boiler efficiency is maximum when carbon monoxide is within the control range shown. The relationship between excess oxygen and carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide in the flue gas of a boiler operated at a constant load is a function of the type of fuel burned. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा। As can be seen from the attached figures, optimum boiler efficiency can be obtained when the losses due to incomplete combustion equal the effects of excess air heat loss. These conditions prevail at the knee of each curve. While the excess oxygen corresponding to these knee points varies with the fuel, the corresponding carbon monoxide concentration is relatively constant. Theoretically, carbon monoxide should be zero whenever there is oxygen in the flue gas. In actual practice, maximum boiler efficiency can usually be maintained when the carbon monoxide is between 100 and 400 parts per million. Carbon monoxide is very sensitive indicator of improperly adjusted burners. If its concentration rises to 1000 parts per million, that is reliable indication of unsafe conditions. Because carbon monoxide is a direct measure of the completeness of combustion and nothing else, it is also unaffected by air infiltration other than the dilution effect. For these reasons, control systems utilizing the measurement of both excess oxygen and carbon monoxide can optimize boiler efficiency even if load, ambient conditions or fuel characteristics vary. Also, when these systems detect a shift in the characteristic curve of the boiler, that shift can be used to signal a need for maintenance of the burner's heat transfer units or air and fuel handling equipment. Non-dispersive infrared analyzers can be used for simultaneous in situ measurement of carbon monoxide and other gases or vapors such as that of water. This might signal incipient tube leakage. Most infrared sensors use a wavelength of 4.7 micro for carbon monoxide detection because the absorption of the carbon monoxide peaks at this wavelength, whereas that of carbon dioxide and H2O does not. Carbon dioxide is also measured and is used to determine the dilution compensation factor for carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide analyzers cannot operate at high temperatures and therefore are usually located downstream of the last heat exchanger or economizer. At these points, the flue gas dilution due to infiltration is frequently high enough to require compensation. The measurement of carbon dioxide is used to calculate this compensation factor. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा.